Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to play the E flat minor scale on the trumpet. And with that in mind, let's get right into it. So first I will be playing the scale for you guys, and then I'm going to be showing you what the notes are and how to play them. Okay, so this is what the E flat minor scale sounds like. So that is what the scale sounds like, and don't forget to stick around for the tutorial. Okay, so this scale begins with the note E flat, which is played 2 and 3. The next note is F, which is played 1. The next note is F sharp, which is played 2. The next note is A flat, which is played 2 and 3. The next note is B flat, which is played 1. The next note is B, which is played 2. The next note is C sharp, which is played 1 and 2. And the last note, which is the same as the first, is E flat, except this time we're playing it 2 since we are in the upper octave. So those are the notes for the scale. And so one last time, this is how the E flat minor scale sounds like. So hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys later. Trumpet Beast, signing off.